learn to multiply using arrays. Arrays are very similar to partial products, just a different way of organizing it. And most often students feel like this is maybe an easier way to organize things, just because it's easier to tell if you've missed something along the way. So we're going to take the question 32 times 68. And when we're doing arrays, we start again by breaking up the two factors. So we're going to break 32 up into 30 and 2, and we're going to break 68 up into 60 and 8. We're going to make ourselves a little grid. What we're going to do is multiply 60 by 30, and we know that 60 times 30 is 1,800. We know that 60 times 2 is 120. 8 times 30 is 240. And 8 times 2 is 16. What we need to do next is add up all of our products in here. So 1,800, 120, 240, and 16. So we've got 6 ones, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, 8, 9, 10, 11 hundreds, which is like 1,100, and 2 thousands. So 32 times 68 is 2,176. This same method works for numbers that are bigger than 2-digit by 2-digit. So for example, if we did 3-digit times 2-digit, we would still break up our factors into 100, 20, and 3, and the second factor into 40 and 5, and make our array. It's just a little bit bigger. The same steps apply. Okay? And then we're going to multiply. So 40 times 100 is 4,000. 40 times 20 is 800. And 40 times 3 is 120. 5 times 100 is 500. 5 times 20 is 100. And 5 times 3 is 15. So it's easier for students to tell when you've missed something because there will be a big empty space here, and that will just prompt you to go back and fill it in. So what we're going to do now is add up all of our partial products. It's really important when you're adding these numbers up that you line them up so that the ones are all in the ones column, the tens are in the tens, and the hundreds are in the hundreds. Otherwise, you're going to have done all of the multiplying right over here and have made a mistake in the adding. So I've got 5 ones, 1 10, and 2 10 is 3 tens. I've got 8, 9, 10 hundredths, and 5 is 15 hundredths, which is like 1,500, and 4,000 plus one more is 5,000. So 123 times 45 is 5,535.